Kita Miss, grabe. It's February again. It means it's Valentine's Day. Obvious. Kita Miss, redundancy. It's my second Valentine's Day dito sa inyo. Sobra bilis talaga ng panahon. Sa halos na second year ko dito, I learned a lot from you. You treated me like your son. Daughter. And I appreciate that. You're like a very good mother to me and to everybody here in boarding. I would like to apologize for being so pasaway in some other ways. Sometimes I lost myself. God, sabi ko na nga ba double identity. And forgot na wala ako sa bahay namin. Pero you've been so mabait and sobra talaga at yung letter S, letter D.
Kaya to do.
Patient, marami sa pasyente sa mga ginagawa kong pagiging pasaway. Sobrang salamat po sa mga ginagawa niyo sa akin. Hindi ko po ito makakalimutan. But rest assured that I learned a lot for you as my second mother.
Are you?
For you? Yeah. And you know what?
Third year college.
And you know what? I love you so much. Ethan,
Ito, isa na.
you're the best landlady, a friend, a teacher, advisor, and a big mother to me. Oh shit! Happy Valentine's Day. I love you again. Take care. Joseph.
Hello?
Wala siyang itinama dito. Best landlady. Worst landlady. Detraction.
Wala na ibang mga message na kalagay. Ang pangat naman.
Wala. PS.
Kala ko, ay, PS?
Kala ko ba may sinabi sa atin? Ano ba sinabi niya ito, Rose?
Baka nga yung sinabi nga niya na lilipat na daw siya nun pa yung dati. Sinabi na rin niya sa akin yung dati.
Kayo na po ang bahala kay Abby King.
Hayop ka. Gusto mo pa akong idamay sa mga kawalang niyaan mo, ha? Tapos na. O, tapos na. Patingin ng card. I-post mo. Ito ang card. Mother, your love is a gift to all of us. Flower.